Hi there, my crafty friends. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you are looking for craft tutorials on various types of crafts, you are in the right place. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything. Today I'm going to show you how to decorate a small glass bottle for essential oils. I'll do some 3D effects using air dry clay and special paint techniques using some metallic rubs. If you're ready, let's make a mess. First thing I'm doing is making all the 3D embellishments. I need the larger ones to be flexible so I can wrap them around that tiny little bottle after they dry. Cream paste dries very flexible, so it's perfect for this project. Now I'll let that dry overnight. Dry now, so I'm going to unmold them. There's a lot of the cream paste all over the mold, and I want the edges to be nice and sharp, so I'm going to remove all of that before I unmold them by rubbing the top with a damp rag. See how nice and flexible they are? Now I'm going to use Delight clay to make some little tiny roses and leaves. These don't need to be flexible, so clay will be just fine. Make sure you stick around till the end of this video. I'll be sharing my essential oil blend recipe for great skin. Now I'll let all these little clay items dry overnight. I'm temporarily gluing some stir sticks on the back of everything, so I have something to hold on to while I'm painting them. Where are you watching from? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. I'm filming from Las Vegas, Nevada in the USA. I'm going to get started painting them now. I'm using a metallic rose gold color for my base coat. After I paint them all, I'll let them dry for a couple of hours before moving on to the next step. I'm going to make all the detail on these little embellishments stand out by adding some antiquing medium. I'm adding a little bit of water to the antique solution so it's runny. I prefer it a little thinner than it comes out of the bottle. I'll paint each item with the solution and then wipe it off right away. It stays in all the cracks and crevices to show all the detail. And again, I'll let these dry for a couple of hours before moving on. I am going to add a series of metallic rubs to highlight all the embellishments. I'll be layering with 3 different colors, and right now I'm starting with the silver. After I apply the rub, I'm buffing them a little bit with a paper towel. The next rub I'm using is White Frost. And the final rub will be Champagne Ice. Layering the rubs gives a very old world metal look. After I'm finished applying all the rubs, I'll be adding a clear gloss finish. I'm ready to start gluing everything on the bottle now. And the stir sticks that I glued on the backs of everything remove very easily with a snip. I'm wiping the bottle with some alcohol, which removes any dirt, debris, or oils from being handled, and this will help the glue adhere. I'm using E6000 glue because it's permanent and very strong. After applying, I'm spreading it a little with a toothpick because I don't want it too thick around all of the edges. If it gets too thick, it'll squirt out from underneath the embellishment. I'm using some painter's tape to hold it in place while I continue. I used a little bit of hot glue to set the rose in the center. I'm marking where the center of the back of the bottle is with a little piece of painter's tape. I want to center a rose there. And now I'll add the feathers and the rest of the roses and leaves. If you're enjoying this video, give me a great big like. I upload a new video every Wednesday morning. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of them. And if you want to be notified anytime I upload a new video, click the bell. I tried really hard not to get glue anywhere on the glass, but it happens. I'm using a toothpick dipped in alcohol to remove any excess glue. This step does need to be done though before the glue dries. Once it dries, you won't be able to remove it. This little bottle turned out so pretty, and it's perfect for storing your essential oil blends. The glass is blue, which protects your essential oils, as well as adding to the beauty of the finished product. As promised, here's my formula for the blend that makes your skin so soft. I use it every day. I fill the bottle halfway with sweet almond oil. It has natural nourishment and hydrating properties. Then I add 5 to 8 drops of lavender oil. Its cleansing properties help rid your skin of impurities and is very calming for the skin. And finally, I add 5 to 8 drops of frankincense, which has anti-inflammatory properties and can help improve fine lines. If you have troubled skin and suffer from blemishes, you'll want to add a few drops of tea tree oil as well. Once I've added all the essential oils, I fill up the rest of the bottle with sweet almond oil and shake it up. Please do a patch test on your skin to make sure you're not allergic to any of these ingredients before you use it. I add the oil in my hand about the size of a nickel. Rub it around in my hands and then on my face. I love the way my skin feels and the fragrance is just amazing. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, share it with a friend. Send me a comment and let me know if you made this little bottle and what you think of the oil blend. I put together a playlist of some similar videos that you may enjoy. Click the picture on the right to be taken directly to that playlist.